Like, this is not normally SEO. This is, of course, but this is also not SEO. Look, proof points as text. I'm going to show you my site and how I don't do this and how I need to do this. This is my, these awards we've won. I'm on the blog, not the blog. These logos, AI doesn't see those. It's not rendering the page, right? This it can see. And if you talk to AI about my brand, it talks about this. So AI is probably training on a small set of key pages mostly. We don't know this for sure, but one of my big questions in marketing is which of the pages that AI is most likely using to train on brands. If you ask it about your brand, it'll tell you about your brand. What pages did it access? And then how can we make these pages, how can we train AI to be a sales rep for our brands? That's not SEO. That's beyond SEO. That's making visible and crawlable and ingestible to the AI the consideration phase information deeper into the funnel. So the fun part is that you can see everything in AI. Unlike Google, you can be like, what do you know my brand? What am my brand good for? What's my brand bad for? Who's the best? You're making a decision. I just did this for fun for a friend. We did it in agent mode, which was hilarious. Is it not here yet? If you haven't tried this yet, agent mode is really interesting. In agent mode, I told it to go visit this website, and then we watched it. We watched it click around, right? This is a person who's not a fit. I'm looking for a PPC company for a nail salon, and you can see what it thought. So
agent mode different than GPTs, right?
yeah, agent mode is rendering the page. So there's different AI bots. ChatGPT has a bot that crawls the web like Googlebot, eats everything, comes back and summarizes everything. Agent mode is when you send a specific AI bot to a page that it opens the page in a virtual browser. It uses a virtual mouse. You watch it click around. And as soon as we did this, he's like, ooh, I forgot about that page. Oh, it's reading. Oops, I thought I changed how I talked about that. He's realizing immediately that his site is not doing a good job of training AI to be a sales rep for his brand. But you can come back and it will tell you, like, this is just have a long conversation with AI about I also have slides for this. I have to give a big SEO presentation on Monday. It sounds like this. Evaluate this website in its ability to train AI to be a sales rep for my brand. Only look at this website. It's hard to get AI to focus on just a website. And then, does it say what we do? Does it say who we do it for? Does it say, how we do it and what the value is? SEOs don't really write this stuff. SEOs are not conversion copywriters. AI is a combination of search optimization and conversion optimization because AI is trying to find a brand to recommend rather than just provide options. And so are all the trust signals and differentiators and case studies and evidence and proof points and testimonials and awards and certifications ingestible as text? SEOs never worry about that. They're just trying to get a visitor. So then if this is a prompt for auditing a page again with its AI friendliness, it gives it a score. Look, I trained it. It only focuses on that website. And this is based on my hypothesis. People like taunt me online sometimes, and they're going to want to debate me, and I don't really mind. But this is just my hypothesis that a site that successfully trains AI to be a sales rep for a brand includes these elements. If you've got your own theories, change this prompt for your perspective. But then the idea is that it comes back and it audits, and certainly that page fails to add trust signals. No one could disagree. So, and then you just go back, it'll tell you, you can ask AI, how can I make this website better for AI discoverability and recommendations? It'll tell you. So yeah, that's my theory about AI right now, is that search was about getting a click. AI is about getting recommended. So search was about just using keywords and trying to capture a very broad audience. AI is about the sales. You have to know what wins the sales call. You have to do objection handling in your copy. You have to provide strong evidence and examples and outcomes. You probably need to be specific about the job title of the buyer. But I still do, and that's all a copy. But I think until the day, maybe 20, when we let AI make the decisions for us, that's actually kind of likely. People are just going to say, go hire for me a company. AI will go hire the company. But until that weird sci-fi future, I predict that the conversion will still happen on websites. This you should be able to see by now. I'll go to my analytics today and we'll check. I'm going to go to my traffic sources report and look at the source medium dimension. And then I'm going to scroll over and check the key event rate metric specifically for leads. Oh, I have so many analytics accounts. It takes a long time to log in and log out. Anyway, thanks for listening through that whole thing. I know that's a lot, but that's my current perspective on these things. Of course, they'll probably change, in a few months.